Dear students, today we are going to study a small topic called dentition. You know, dentition means the pattern of arrangement of teeth within the buccal cavity. You can see the process is called dentition. So dentition can be defined as the pattern by which teeth are arranged within the buccal cavity attached to the upper and lower jaw bones. So the arrangement of teeth is called dentition. As far as human dentition is concerned, human dentition, usually we describe human dentition by using three different terms. The first term, the human dentition is considered to be heterodont. It's a heterodont dentition. The second point, the human dentition is considered to be thecodont. And the third characteristic feature, human dentition is considered to be diphyodont. So, dentition means the pattern of arrangement of teeth within the buccal cavity. The human dentition is classified or described as heterodont dentition, thecodont dentition and diphyodont dentition. We can see one by one. Heterodont dentition. You know the meaning of the term hetero. Hetero means different. So heterodont dentition means different types of teeth are present inside the buccal cavity. So as far as human beings are concerned, four different types of teeth are there. Four types of teeth are there. The first one is called incisor. The second one is called canine. Third one is called premolar. And the last one is called molar. And since we are provided with these four different types of teeth, our dentition is called heterodont. Hetero means different. Don't refers to the pattern of arrangement of teeth, that means dentition. Since we are having four different types of teeth, the dentition is called heterodont. Then the dentition is also called thecodont dentition. Thecodont dentition means each tooth is placed inside a cavity in the jawbone. Suppose this is a tooth, the entire part is not visible. The teeth are attached like this. There is a cavity in the jawbone and the teeth are placed inside the cavity. That means only one portion is visible, the remaining part is hidden from the view, is placed inside the cavity. The part which is visible is called crown of the tooth and the part which is present inside the cavity is called root of the tooth. And since each tooth is placed inside a cavity, the dentition is called thecodont dentition. Then the third point, diphyodont dentition. In the life history of human being, the lifetime of human being, teeth develop twice. The first set of teeth are called milk teeth and the dentition is called milk dentition. Then the milk dentition is a deciduous kind of dentition. Later, adult type of dentition will be there and that dentition is called permanent dentition. So in the life history of one human being, teeth erupt twice, so the dentition pattern is called diphyodont. So as for dentition, we have to study three important terms: heterodont dentition, thecodont dentition, diphyodont dentition. Once again, heterodont means there are four different types of teeth. Thecodont means each tooth is placed inside a cavity in the jawbone. Diphyodont means teeth erupt twice. The first type of dentition is called milk dentition. The final type of dentition is called permanent dentition. Understood?